BM English Speaking Radio Channel presents BM English Word of the Day. My name is Prachati and I'm your host for this episode. You are listening to episode number 116 of season 3. Today's word is pioneer. The meaning of the word pioneer is to develop or introduce a new idea for the first time. A person or an organization which starts work in a new area. With BM English Speaking Radio Channel, learn one new word every day and impress the world. In this English vocabulary lesson, you will learn how to use the word pioneer. We are sure that this ESL lesson will help you to enhance your English vocabulary and speak English fluently and confidently. Pioneer is spelled as P-I-O-N-E-E-R. The word pioneer means to develop or introduce a new idea for the first time or to start something new for the first time. For example, we may say that the British pioneered the railway transportation system in India. Listen carefully how we can use the word pioneer in 8 different situations in 8 different sentences. Example number 1 of 8. Louis Braille was born in France. At the age of 3, he lost his vision in an accident. Nevertheless, he did not lose hope. Instead, he pioneered the Braille book for the benefit of the blind. Braille is a system of writing and printing for blind or visually impaired people. In this book, varied arrangements of raised dots representing letters and numerals are identified by touch. Wow! Isn't this an inspirational example? Moving on to example number 2 of 8. In India, till the beginning of the 19th century, the percentage of literate women was almost 0. Savitribai Phule is the pioneer of women education in India. She opened the first girls' school in 1848 despite opposition from the society. Wow! Thanks to her that today we have so many women who are educated. Now let us understand example number 3 of 8. Do you know about the Nobel Prize? These prizes are given annually by the Royal Swedish Academy of Sciences to recognize the pioneering efforts of scientists from all over the world. Example number 4 of 8. The followers of Western classical music bestow high respect on Mozart. He is considered to be the pioneer of composing and arranging music for symphony. When Godrej, Tata Teleservices, Blue Star and Titan, more than 125 corporates have trusted us for training their employees, you can definitely trust us for improving your English proficiency skills. To know more about our English fluency courses, log on to our website www.bmconsultantsindia.com. Example number 5 of 8. Dr. Subhash Mukhopadhyay created history when he pioneered the birth of first test tube baby in India. This was in 1978 and Indian medical field was elated with this breakthrough. Moving on to example number 6 of 8. There are certain qualities that distinguish a pioneer from others. Perseverance, faith in own belief, and an analytical mind are some of these qualities. Example number 7 of 8. Several wars and violence have taken place since many centuries, but a protest through non-violence was unknown to the world. Mahatma Gandhi is considered to be the pioneer of non-violence movement, and it found millions of followers all over the world. Moving on to example number 8 of 8. The world has been anticipating a shortage of traditional fuels such as petrol and diesel. As an alternative, Robert Davidson from Scotland pioneered the electric vehicle. Today, worldwide, efforts are being made to produce electric vehicles on a large scale. Today we learnt the word pioneer, which means to develop or introduce a new idea for the first time. A person or an organization which starts work in a new area. Can you frame 3 sentences with pioneer and type in the comments box? We are waiting. We are sure this lesson has helped to develop your English vocabulary and speak fluent English. You can download the script of this episode and all our episodes from www.bmenglishspeakingradio.in. Stay tuned for new English vocabulary lessons. We are on a mission to train 1 crore Indians in English fluency. This was episode number 116 of 200 BM vocabulary episodes that we have planned. Kindly note that we will be releasing 1 vocabulary episode daily at 6 am Indian Standard Time. So meet you tomorrow at 6 o'clock with a new word. Till then, take care.